another ball. Oh, here it is. Okay. Hi, Dad.
I think it's like to breathe.
It can slow down. She's gonna slow down. Why did it slow down?
It only stays on for a certain amount of time. You got to keep pushing the button. Try it again.
Oh, he found another ball. You? Put it all through there. For a short time.
Oh, okay.
Automatic time.
Oh, I see.
So now I'm gonna put the button in again. Put down there.
Are you showing Ellie how it works?
Yes, I am. Bring down there. Bring this one down here.
Good job, Jacob.
Down there and go. That's fun.